Dinaki, this was the Czech that bought Alaska from the Russian Emperor in 1867. To collect funds through activities, the first step is to register with the Alaska Department of Law Consumer Protection Unit in Anchorage. NOAA Office of Law Enforcement manages compliance of marine sanctuary and ecological regulations. The Marine Administration offers grants for industries such as building or buying plastic and metal collecting recycling ships like Ocean Phoenix 360 and the Ocean Cleanup Systems. The magnet prevents overfishing, while the Animal Welfare Act ensures that we properly care for all animals enforced by the Department of Agriculture Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service. Much of this debris is intentionally dumped in violation of the Ocean Dumping Act, governed by the United States Environmental Protection Agency, but rarely is someone punished, so our wild and marine life is taking it by consuming the toxic waste. Although this is also from lack of other food due to overfishing and not enough habitat restoration efforts. World Wildlife Fund in Switzerland advocates that 330,000 whales have been killed after the international whaling ban. Japan, Iceland, and Norway still violate international maritime law to this date, although only 30 female Pacific gray whales and a total of 2,300 blue whales remain alive. The whales that mostly kill are dolphin-type friendly small minke whales, which are needed as food for orcas to survive. Secondly would be belugas. These are also dolphin-like whales. In 2014, violating the complete 1986 International Whaling Commission ban, and Faroe Islands did the most whale hunting, followed by Norway, Japan, America, Russia, Iceland, South Korea, and Indonesia. The enforcement of environmental and marine life laws, including ending hunting and limiting fishing, while expanding recovery, is imperative in making the Blue Deal a success. Tsunamis and hurricanes bring most of the trash into the sea, which collect as enormous trash islands and float into wetlands, where the rivers meet the ocean, along with other pollution. Glaciers are melting the toxins being released into the wildlife wetlands, killing herds of wild animals. The EPA also partners with Army Corps and District 2 Coast Guards for removing hazardous materials. Because many nations intersect in the deep-sea trillion-dollar industry, recovery from trash islands have not been appointed to a particular industry and require several billions of dollars for a recovery plan through collaboration with agencies and other nonprofits. The Federal Pollution Response Authorities are the funding partners and include the Comprehensive Environmental Response Compensation Liability Act, the Clean Water Act, the National Substance Pollution Contingency Plan. As far as the world's coral reefs are concerned, over 20% of them have been prospects for recovery. The United Nations Environment Program estimates the cumulative economic impact of poor ocean management practices is at least $200 billion per year cost. It would then take $32 billion at one-time cost and $21 billion a year for recurring costs to recover if we started this moment. This was actually published a few years ago, so we're probably much higher now. But if we wait much longer, it will be hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars per year to recover our planet so it's livable. Otherwise, if People die of cancer, endocrinological diseases, and our wildlife is deteriorated completely. As a matter of fact, 20% of the coral reefs are not recoverable. It's a permanent damage. Other agencies help as well, like Ocean Conservancy, Sea Shepherd, Greenpeace, Earth Force, Environmental Defense Funds, Rickoberry Dolphin Fund, Petroma, many others. And this message was brought to you by University of Alaska Fairbanks Writing Group.